Hello guys, Blackview brings us something great this year. It is their latest budget tablet in 2023 from the brand that offers great features and low prices. The Blackview Oscal Pad 10 for specs reveals a 10.1-inch vast display with tempered membrane for vivid visuals. There is 8GB of RAM plus 6GB of expansion RAM, 128GB external storage with the possibility up to 1TB microSD expansion, and a large capacity 6850 mAh battery. Also, the Android tablet PC supports dual 4G SIM. There are dual smart keybox speakers and a 30MP main camera, 8MP front camera, and the Widely L1 for Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and Disney+. It runs on Android 12 OS and supports mouse and keyboard. There really is nothing it does not offer, and everything at a low price. So the Blackview Oscal Pad 10 price will be only $129 from January 9 to 13. The official sales links are below this video. Visit them and grab your new Oscal Pad 10 today.